In the heart of Parma, Italy, lies the birthplace of Parmigiano Reggiano, famously known worldwide as Parmesan cheese. Renowned for its rich flavors and incredible versatility in cooking, this celebrated cheese owes its existence to both high-quality cow's milk and the timeless traditions of cheesemaking. At this dairy in Parma, approximately half a ton of milk is required to produce each block of Parmesan. The process begins in large copper vats, each capable of holding around 1,000 litres of milk, sufficient to craft 2 massive wheels of cheese. Parmesan, a firm cheese, starts its journey with the milk undergoing a solidification process. The ideal temperature for this transformation is 33 degrees Celsius. To trigger the process, cheesemakers add rennet, an enzyme sourced from the stomach lining of calves. Once added, the rennet initiates the milk's transformation, and the head cheesemaker keeps a close eye on the subtle changes in texture. The team must stay vigilant to identify the exact moment to proceed to the next stage. At just the right time, the thickened milk is carefully sliced using custom cutting tools, breaking it into smaller chunks. This step helps separate the curds from the whey. Gradually, the temperature is increased to aid the separation process, causing the solid curds to sink while the liquid whey rises to the top. A specialized knife is then used to divide the curd mass at the bottom of the tank into 2 portions. Using a large wooden paddle, the cheesemaker lifts the portions, allowing colleagues to wrap them in fabric. This wrapping ensures the cheese maintains its intended shape and texture. The bundles are hung over the tank to rest and drain for a short period. The remaining whey is carefully drained, leaving the tank ready for the next batch. Once removed from the tank, the cheese is tightly wrapped and a weight is placed on top. This step helps expel any excess moisture, essential for achieving Parmesan's firm texture. The cheese spends approximately 10 hours in a Teflon mold, during which it imprints the dairy's name onto the surface. After about 24 hours, the Teflon mold is replaced with a metal one, giving the cheese its iconic wheel shape with flat tops, bottoms, and curved sides. Following a few days in the molds, the wheels are submerged in a salt bath. This step not only enhances the cheese's distinctive aroma, but also contributes significantly to its flavor. The cheese remains in the brine for a month before being removed and set aside to dry. Once dried, the wheels are moved to a ripening room, where they mature over a period of up to 24 months. To ensure quality during the aging process, the wheels must be turned at least once every 2 weeks to prevent mold growth. As the cheese matures, the head cheesemaker uses an official hammer to tap the wheels, relying on his trained ear to discern whether they meet the high standards of Parmesan. From humble beginnings in salty, murky bathwater to the revered topping for pasta dishes worldwide, Parmesan's journey is a testament to craftsmanship and tradition. Thank you for joining us for another episode of Frankie How's It Made? See you next time!